Welcome to this everyday morning breathwork practice for your physical and mental well-being. Coming into any comfortable position and bringing hands down to Gyan Mudra, tip of your index touching your thumb. Ujjayi breath. The inhale and exhale is through your nose. But when you exhale, you create a slight constriction at the back of your throat, creating a hissing noise, like you're fogging a mirror with your mouth closed. Inhale through the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Do it at your own pace. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Alternate nostril breathing or Anulom Vilom. For this, you're going to take your right hand, you're going to take your pointer and your tall finger to place it right in between your eyebrows. Now you're going to close the left nostril with your ring finger and your right nostril with your thumb. The basic idea is to close one nostril, inhale through one, alternating your breath between your nostrils. We're going to do this together. Let's close the left nostril with your ring finger. Inhale through the right. Close the right. Exhale to the left. Inhale through the left. Close the left. Exhale to the right. Inhale through the right. Close the right. Exhale left. Inhale to the left. Close the left. Exhale right. Inhale right. Close right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Close left to exhale right. One more inhale through the right. Close the right to final exhale to the left. And release. The next one is a very pumping, energizing breathwork, Kapalbhati. Let's bring a mudra to touch your tip of your index and your thumb together. The inhale is through your nose, and the exhale is again through your nose, but very short and very accelerating, using your belly. Think of exhales as snapping in. We're going to do 2 rounds of Kapalbhati. Each round will have 50 exhales, short exhales. Close your eyes. Inhale breath. And begin your exhales. Ten more. And release. Let's do this one more set. Inhale through your nose. Big into short exhales. Ten more. And release. With that, let's bring into place your right hand to your chest and your left hand on your belly. Let's take a moment here to connect with the body. Notice how you're feeling. And also bring in awareness to normalize your breath. And maybe diving a little bit more inward. Being present for your body, for yourself this moment. With no wandering thoughts. No distractions. And just thanking our body for this beautiful, beautiful gift of health, wellness, and everything beyond. Let's close practice with hands-on prayer. Placing it on your forehead. With you come the kindest thoughts. Hands down to mouth. And with kind thoughts come out kindest of words. And hands to chest. Look down into your own heart. Full of love and compassion for good deeds, for good thoughts, for good words comes the kindest of hearts. Thank you so much for allowing me to guide you through this beautiful breathwork practice. I really hope that you're feeling calmer and more relaxed. Until next time, namaste.